Jesse. I'm the service manager at John Elway Harley-Davidson. Today I'd like to talk to you about performance, Screamin' Eagle Performance. We have a special going on this month, 15% off of Screamin' Eagle parts and 15% off of the install of those parts. First one is the Stage 1. Stage 1 consists of pipes and an air cleaner and a tuner. Very good basis to all the other work you want to do. Stage 2 is going to consist of cams and more tuning. It's a very good upgrade. We love doing Stage 2s here. We get good power out of them. People really like the Stage 2s. Stage 3 comes with a different cam, and then it comes with pistons and jugs, usually a little bit more compression, usually a bit more displacement as well. Stage 4 is going to consist of pistons, jugs, heads, intake, and again, usually a different cam depending on what kit. Your 107s will go up to a 128, and then your 114s will go up to the 131. Harley-Davidson's also offering a 135 engine, which is also very good performing engine. All the things we try to do with the Screamin' Eagle Performance does keep your bike under warranty. If you buy the bike and then get your performance done at the same time, it's all covered for your 2-year warranty. If you do it after the fact, usually just need 1-year warranty on all those parts. And again, we are having a sale, 15% off parts and labor on all the installs throughout December. If you have any questions, give us a call or stop by and see us. Thanks a lot.